So I will start with the starters. As you can see, we have a burger here. This is completely veg burger, and we have chaat papri here. As you can see, they have put some save, some red chutney, which is sweet, some green chutney, which is very spicy, some curd, the papris, and the potatoes, and some onion also.
Hey channel, welcome to my guys. Hey, welcome channel to my guys. Hey guys, channel to my welcome.
And also, I have 1 cup of Coke. I will start with the chaat papri. The papri is very good. Now I will have it completely with the chaat and everything. The chaat is super crunchy and super delicious. Hey all, this is Shubham Malhotra and you are back at Beer Traveler channel. Don't forget to watch till the end. So due to Corona, they have stopped dining, but you can take out and delivery. Now we'll try the veg burger. As you can see, on the inside they have onions, some mayonnaise, the potato patty, and ketchup down below. It's super tasty and super delicious. I will now tell you. As you can see, there is the mayonnaise and the onion, then the patty. Due to this, the mayonnaise is also on the patty. This is like very dark because we heated it again. As it was a takeaway, it became little bit cold. So we have heated it and now we are eating it. I will have one more bite of this chaat papri. So guys, I am going to finish the starters and then we will see you with the main course. So guys, as you can see, we have to heat ourselves the food. You cannot just eat it as it like, because it's very cold when you are coming from outside. It's like 0 degree here. So you have to make it hot, and you can do it in pan, oven, microwave, anything. Or if you don't have anything, just take one of your jealous friend. He will be mad at you. He will be angry. Then just put on him. It will become hot itself. So we have heated the palak paneer also. So first of all, I will have the chapati or rotis as some people say with the palak paneer. As you can see, the steam coming out. So we have heated it properly. And the chapati. It's delicious. I can completely taste the palak in it, which is also called spinach. And now with the paneer. The paneer is also good. It completely melts in your mouth, and it has a little bit of garlicky taste also. It's creamy and delicious. So I will pour out some more, and then I will taste it with the jeera rice. Little bit of paneer, and now the jeera rice. Now you can see it has completely mixed. Now I will try it. The rice has a cumin flavor, like what is jeera, it is cumin, so it has that flavor completely coming out of it. It's not like they have just boiled the rice and put it in. They have completely fried the jeera and then put it above that, and then completely cooked the rice. And the palak is also coming very good in this. It tastes super delicious. It just reminded me of my home when I eat there. It's completely tastes like that. So we have cleaned the plate so the spice doesn't mix and the masala is also tasting different. Now I will have some chana masala, and I will just put it here, and I will first try it with the rotis. The masala is not bland at all. It's completely, the spices are coming, and above that the chickpeas is also perfectly cooked. That chole, they are completely cooked. As you can see, it can just mash in my hand. It's also a little bit garlicky, but it's also good. I like the garlic flavor, so I said to them to add it in both of the dishes, the palak paneer and also the chana masala. So have they added it? But if you want, you can omit it. Now I will add some more and taste with jeera rice. As you can see, it is completely mixed. So now I will try it. This is also super delicious and super creamy. You can see it. I can taste completely chickpeas and jeera rice also. None of the flavors are overpowering each other. They are completely coming together, and that's making my mouth more and more salivated. I like the taste. Hope you guys like this video.
Like the video, share.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Press the bell icon also so you get notification whenever we upload a new video. Bye bye.